In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Monday.com. We'll start right from the homepage, and by the end, you'll have a ready-to-edit survey board built from a template so you can tailor it to your needs quickly and confidently. Begin on your Monday.com home. From here, look to the left side navigation and open workspaces. Pick the workspace where this survey should live so the right teammates will see it and your boards stay organized. Choosing the right workspace up front keeps permissions and visibility simple later. Next, click the plus icon to add something new. When the menu opens, hover over board. This is where you decide how you want to start. Select Start with Template to save time and benefit from a pre-built structure designed for surveys. You'll land in the Template Center. Switch to All Templates, then head into General Templates to browse a broad set of options. Use the search bar and type Survey. This filters to templates that already include columns and views suited to collecting feedback. Open the survey template that looks closest to your use case and review its description and preview. Look for the column types it offers: text, dropdowns, ratings, statuses, and check for an included form view, which many survey templates provide. When you're confident, click Use Template. Confirm the workspace and privacy settings if prompted, and let Monday.com create your new board. Now, make your edits, rename the board and groups to reflect your survey topic. Update column names to match your questions, and remove anything you don't need to keep it lean and clear. Use short text for brief answers, long text for open-ended feedback, and drop-down or status for multiple choice style questions. Drag columns to reorder them into a logical flow, and keep rating or scale questions consistent so responses are easy to analyze. If the template includes a form view, open it and customize the form fields. Adjust labels, add brief helper text for clarity, mark essential questions as required, and if available, apply simple branding like colors or a logo to keep it on brand. Save as you go. Consider adding a brief description at the top of the board or in an attached document to outline the survey's purpose and who it's for. This helps collaborators stay aligned. That's it. You've navigated from home to workspaces, created a board from a survey template, and customized it so it's ready for use. Follow these steps anytime you need a new survey, and you'll build consistent, clear feedback flows in minutes.